Come, student, we are going to discuss substitution nucleophilic bimolecular reaction, that is SN2 reaction. See here SN2 mechanism. The reaction between methyl bromide and hydroxide ion, that is OH minus ion, to give methanol follows a second order kinetics, that is, the rate of this reaction depends on concentration of two reacting species, namely methyl bromide and hydroxide. Hence it is called substitution nucleophilic bimolecular SN2 reaction. In this reaction, there is a reaction between methyl bromide, that is CH3Br, and hydroxide ion OH minus. This reaction follows second order kinetics, that is, the rate of this reaction depends on concentration of both methyl bromide and hydroxide. And in this reaction we get a product CH3OH, that is, here Br from the CH3Br are replaced by the or substituted by the OH minus, we get a CH3OH product and Br minus as a byproduct. So in this reaction there is a substitution of the Br by the nucleophile, therefore we call here substitution nucleophilic, and both the reactant, that is reacting species CH3Br and OH minus, take part in the reaction, and that the reaction rate of the reaction depends on this both reacting species. Therefore this is a follows second order kinetic that are called bimolecular. Bi means two, molecular reaction. Therefore we call this SN2 reaction substitution nucleophilic bimolecular, that is SN2. See here mechanism. This reaction follows one step mechanism, that is in the only one step we get the product. See here mechanism. In this mechanism, this is the methyl bromide CH3Br. Which on methyl bromide? On this the nucleophile OH minus are attacked. The attack of the OH minus are from the back side. Why this OH minus attack from the back side? Why they cannot attack from the front side? There are two reasons to attack from the back side. The first reason is that to avoid attack, if the OH minus are attacked from the front side, there is steric crowding. Therefore, to avoid steric crowding from the front side, there is a attack of the OH minus R from the back side. This first reason, to avoid steric crowding. And second, in the front side attack, there is a Br minus as a leaving group, that is they are negatively charged. This is the negative charge, and nucleophile are also negative charge. If this nucleophile attack from the front side, there is repulsion between the two negatively charged ions or two same charge bearing substance, that is Br minus and OH minus. Due to this repulsion, there is electrostatic repulsion between the incoming nucleophile and leaving group. Due to this repulsion, front side attack are not possible. Understand all of you? Front side attack are not possible because to avoid steric crowding and to avoid electrostatic repulsion between nucleophile and hydroxide leaving group. Nucleophile and leaving group. See here, the OH minus attack from the back side. From the back side attack, we get a penta-coordinated transition state. See here, penta-coordinate. Penta means 5 coordination number of this carbon. Here, this carbon are formed the 3 covalent bond with the 3 hydrogen atom, and there is a 2 partial bond with the hydroxide and Br minus. That are not two bonds with the OH and Br are partial, that bear a partial minus negative charge, partial charge on the OH and partial charge on the Br minus. We will write here the 1/2 minus charge on the hydroxide and 1/2 minus charge on the Br. This stage are called as a transition state. These state are called as a this intermediate state, and these are not actual but these are imaginary stage. We say here the why the carbon is the tetravalent, and why you are right here pentavalent, but these are not actually done but these are imaginary. See, then if the OH minus are attacked from this carbon, this OH minus forms the bond with carbon and Br are leave from this species, that is OH minus forms the bond and Br minus break CBr bonds are break. That is, there is simultaneous bond formation and bond breaking are takes place. Simultaneous means at a one time जेव्हा OH मायनस सी बरोबर बॉन्ड तयार करेल कार्बन बरोबर, त्याच वेळेस Br काय होईल, लिव्हिंग ग्रुप म्हणून निघून जाईल. बघा इकडे कार्बन हायड्रोजन हायड्रोजन OH अटॅक फ्रॉम द बॅक साइड, देअरफॉर OH इज फ्रॉम द बॅक साइड अँड प्लस Br. आता दिस प्रोडक्ट आर ऑब्टेन्ड are having the inverted configuration. What is mean by inverted configurations? See here, in this if this reactant are dextrorotatory, we get a product are having the opposite rotation, that is levorotatory. This is due to the backside attack of the nucleophile. So see here, in this mechanism we are see the number of points. First, this mechanism follows only one step mechanism, that is this is one step mechanism. They form the pentacoordinated intermediate. This in this reaction the nucleophile attack from the backside, that is only backside attack are possible, because to avoid steric crowding and and electrostatic repulsion between incoming nucleophile and leaving group. Then next, from this reaction we write some salient features of SN2 reaction. See here, salient features of SN2 mechanism. First, single step mechanism with simultaneous bond breaking and bond formation takes place. These salient features are we are understand in these reactions. In these reactions there is these reactions are only one step. We see here the two step, but see here the this is the intermediate and this product are formed, but actual there is only one step, that is reactant are directly converted into the product. This is the imaginary stage, understand it. This is the only one step mechanism, and in this simultaneous, that is at a one time OH minus R forms the bond with carbon and Br minus R leave the carbon, that is that are bond are break, CBr bonds are break. This is the first salient feature, that is single step mechanism with simultaneous bond breaking and bond formation takes place. Then second salient features, backside attack of nucleophile. We are understand here, in this reaction the nucleophile attack the carbon undergoing substitution from the opposite side to that of the leaving group. लिव्हिंग ग्रुपच्या अपोजिट साईडने काय करतो, OH मायनस अटॅक करतो. फाय का सांगितलं, बिकॉज दिस इज द ड्यू टू अवॉइड द स्टेरिक क्राउडिंग फ्रॉम द फ्रंट साइड and electrostatic repulsion between the Br and OH minus. To avoid the electrostatic repulsion between Br and OH minus, front side attack are not possible, only back side attack are possible in this reaction. See here, back side attack of nucleophile. The nucleophile attacks carbon undergoing substitution from the side opposite to that of the living group. Living group च्या opposite side ने attack करतो nucleophile. This is to avoid steric repulsion and electrostatic repulsion between the incoming nucleophile and living group. These two are most important. Why attack of the back side, nucleophile attack from the back side are possible in this SN2 reaction, because to avoid the steric repulsion and to avoid electrical repulsion between the nucleophile and living group. Then third, in the transition state, the nucleophile and living groups are bonded to the carbon with partial bond carrying partial negative charge. See here, this is the transition state. In this transition state, this OH minus, that is nucleophile, and this Br minus, that is leaving group, that both are carrying partial negative charge, that is 1 half minus, and here is 1 half minus. Then next, the transition state contains pentacoordinated carbon having 3 sigma bond in one plane, making a bond angle of 120 with each others, and 2 partial covalent bond along a line perpendicular to this plane. See here, this is the transition state. In this transition state, this carbon are forms the 5 coordinated compound 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this carbon having these 3 hydrogens are like a fan. Carbon are at the centers, and 3 hydrogens are at the 3 planes are at the 120 degree to each others. The bond angle in between this hydrogen is 120. Bond angle from this of this hydrogen are 120, and the bond angle from of the OH carbon Br is this, from this 2 partial covalent bond, and bond angle of this 2 is of the 180. See here, we write here the transition state is pentacoordinate. See here, there is 3 sigma bond, that is this 3 sigma bonds, so this 1, 2 and 3, and in one plane having bond angle 120 with each others, 2 partial covalent bond along the line perpendicular to this plane. These 2 partial covalent bonds are OH and carbon. This partial bond are represented by the dotted line, and CBr, these are also partial covalent bond. Then next, when SN reaction is brought about a chiral carbon, the product formed is inverted. It is not Walden reaction. जर ही SN reaction chiral कार्बनच्या प्रेझेन्समध्ये काय केली, कॅरी आउट केली. chiral carbon means this carbon having 4 different groups. This carbon having 4 different groups that are called as a chiral carbon. If this reaction, SN2 reaction, are carried out in presence of chiral carbon, we get a inverted product. It is called as a Walden inversion. The inversion in the configuration is result of backside attack of nucleophile. Why this inverted product are obtained? This is due to the backside. If this hydroxide group attack from this side, this substitute this groups hydrogens are opposite to this opposite to this hydroxide, and we get a inverted product. Thank you.